Hi, welcome to this video. You can use the built-in Apple support Magnifier app on your iPhone to turn your camera into a digital magnifying glass for reading small print or viewing distant objects. So swipe down from the control center or from the top right corner of your screen and to see the control center. Tap the magnifier icon at the bottom left here. You can press the power or side button 3 times if you set it as an accessibility shortcut, and you can use voice command, right? For Siri, for example, like "Hey Siri, open magnifier," etc. You can
your iPhone first.
You can hear this is Siri, cut me off, and basically you can use the magnifying glass to zoom in and out, right? You can drag the slider on the screen or pinch with your fingers. Start a few inches away from the text and let the camera focus before zooming in. And you can tap the screen on the item you want to read so the focus does not jump around if your hands shake, right? So make sure to turn on the flashlight if you want to improve readability. Change contrast and colors, right? And freeze the frame, right? So you can take a temporary snapshot so you can hold the phone closer or read without your hand moving. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Till next time.